Mga paps, quick unboxing and thoughts ko dito sa Lotus LTPW140CX. So, I got this on sale sa Shopee for 2.2K. SRP niya in true value, I think it's around 6,000 plus pa. Pero lately, nagsisale din sila sa true value. I think around 3.5K nyo siya makukuha pag nakasale sila doon. Though of course, mas mura nyo pa din siya makukuha sa Shopee pag naka-check po kayo ng sale. Plus of course, gamit kayo ng Shopee voucher. Right off the bat, balot naman siya ng bubble wrap. So, medyo manipis lang. Pero pwede na. Balot din yung mismong box ng cling wrap. Naabot ng ulan, medyo protected yung box nyo na hindi mapasa. And also, ingat-ingat lang din guys sa pagka-cutter. Siyempre, para wala kayong ma-damage dun sa loob ng box. And it also comes with the official receipt, which is nice. And may pa-freebie pa sila na Lotus na reusable bag. Actually, sealed na sealed siya. Ganda rin yung box. Okay na okay. Let's open it. And sealed din pala siya guys nung yung tamper-proof sticker ni Lotus. Para they guarantee na legit. Now inside the box, yung manuals niya. Nandiyan din yung accessories niya for priming. Also the water inlet connector / filter. Ando din sa loob. 5 meters high pressure hose. And dyan din. Also, they included yung hose na pang priming. It's actually 3 meters long naman. And also the detergent bottle. It's actually included. Yung extension lens. And you can also see here yung adjustable nozzle niya. Andyan din. And of course, yung unit itself. And when you unwrap it, makikita nyo naman dyan sa likod ng unit is doon nakakabit yung water gun niya. Now, I really like the size. Very portable siya. And yung build quality niya is actually top notch. Very sturdy yung feel. So, solid all around. Now, sa pag-assemble guys nung water gun niya, let me show it. Attach niya lang yung extension lens. So, may parang notch dyan dun sa loob. I-twist nyo lang yung lens dun para mag-lock siya. Then, yung adjustable nozzle naman, press down nyo lang siya dun sa extension lens para mag-lock. Then goods na yan. Then doon naman sa likod ng unit, let me show you how to connect the water inlet / filter. Ayan yung water filter niya or water inlet. Dun sa likod ng unit, nakita nyo dun sa likod may para siyang cap. So you just need to remove that. And then i-roscas nyo na yung water inlet ninyo / filter sa likod. Make sure lang guys na mahigpitan nyo siya para sure na walang leak pagka turn on nyo na yung faucet or nag-prime kayo ng tubig going inside the unit. Yan. So, ganoon siya. Ingatan nyo lang guys. Baka mabasag. And mahirapan tayo maghanap niyan. Now, pakita ko na din how to assemble yung pang water priming. So, ayan siya. That's 3 meters long. Alisin nyo lang yung lock nung pang-connect nyo sa water inlet. Pasok nyo yung lock dun sa hose muna before yung mismong pagkabit para mahigpitan nyo siya. Ayan. So, i-roscas nyo lang siya dun sa pang-dulo. And then, dito naman sa pang-prime or yung pang-filter. Ayan yung ilulublob nyo naman dun sa timba nyo na may tubig. Ito, I'm actually not gonna use this kasi ayan, meron ako nito sa garahe namin. Nakadirekta mismo dun sa faucet. Ayan yung other end, nakonect ko na dun. And then, the female connector goes to the male connector. Ayan. So, press nyo lang siya dun. And then, this is how you connect naman yung high pressure hose dun sa unit. Yan, i-press down nyo lang siya dun. And then, mag-auto lock na yun. Then, same goes with the water gun. So, press nyo yung lock. And then, put it inside. All goods na yan. Pwede nyo na siya gamitin. Now guys, sobrang lakas niya. When I actually tried it, hindi pa actually pointed yan. This part is pointed, pero medyo ni-release ko yung pressure. So yan, hindi yan medyo pointed, pero natatanggal niya yung lumot. So there. Yan. Malakas yung pressure niya, guys. Yan. And then I also tested it out dun sa screen door namin kasi sobrang dumi na, as you can see. So medyo spread nyo lang yung water niya. No need na pointed. So I'll show you the before and after. Kalahating part niya. It's very nice. Especially if you have mga cars or motorcycle na lilinisin. It's very useful. Or kahit pantanggal lang ng lumot, it's very nice as well. Maalis niya. Dito sa video naman na to, dito sa part na to, medyo makapal yung lumot namin. Ayan, kayang-kaya naman siya. Highly recommended tong Lotus natin, guys. Now, comment down below if you have questions. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel na din. I'll be posting different tools and gadgets reviews soon. Thanks for watching.